Now, I have certain rules in ad spend that I like to give an ad before giving up on. It's usually based around the CPA target and how much of that target has been spent before I make any crucial decision. So for example, if I have a CPA target of, let's just say $10, and let's say I'm willing to give it 3x, meaning 3 times the ad spend, which in this case would be $30, then I let it run for that amount. And if I don't get a sale, I'll kill the ad. The issue with this is when you have a higher CPA target, then you have to spend a lot of money before making a decision on an ad. We can mitigate this risk by using micro conversion. What are micro conversions? They have to do with the conversion action that consists of one of the steps in your funnel. Let's say for a book call funnel or even a webinar funnel, a lead sign up can be a micro conversion. When you have a $2,000 plus product that you're selling, micro conversions come in very handy because they help you determine which one of your ads has a good shot of being good enough to use for scale at an earlier time frame. As opposed to just spending $3,000 on one ad and realizing it was no good to begin with, you can now spend a few $100s, in some cases less, to know if at least has a chance to work. For you to come up with these micro conversions, you need to know your funnel metric to understand what micro conversion you can work with. Now, not every micro conversion is the same, but I will tell you email opt-in is one of the best ones that I found to look at when looking at high ticket funnel. To do the funnel math right, you'll have to look at how many people signed up versus how many people actually purchased. This doesn't have to be complicated. Just count your purchases and divide them by the number of opt-ins. That's it. Once you have that, you'll have a conversion rate for your opt. This will determine an ideal cost per lead for you. So let's use an example. Let's say you have a webinar funnel and you're selling a product for $2,000. Let's say you spent $1,500. So after spending that amount of money, you've gotten one sale. You look at your lead, voila, you magically have 100 leads. So now you know your webinar convert at one sale divided by 100 opt-ins. So that comes up with 1%. Obviously, there's an example. It's not statistically relevant. Probably would need more sales overall to know these numbers. And if you're running this funnel on a traffic platform, you already have these numbers. However, for the sake of the example, let's stick with the 1%. And just as an FYI, while that can be acceptable, that's probably on the lower end. So let's just say you're fine with having the allowable cost per sale of $1,500, and you know that 1% of your opt-ins will convert into a sale. Now you know what your CPA for your lead should be.
Hey, really quickly, if you are somebody that's looking to get into YouTube ads, whether you want to do it yourself or you want it completely done for you, what I recommend is that you go down to the description of this video and click on the top link. What that will allow you to do is book a free strategy session with somebody on our team where we will sit down with you completely for free and see if YouTube ads make sense for your business. And with that, let's jump back into the video.
Now, if your new ads are getting leads at a much higher amount, let's just say $30, yes, you may get a purchase. However, realistically, that won't hold up long term. This is probably a once in a blue situation. It's more likely that your 1% webinar conversion rate remains as a constant, which trust me, with time, it will get worse, but still, that conversion rate will hold more than the likelihood of a $30 lead continuously getting you purchases at your allowable cost per sale at scale. So now, instead of spending thousands of dollars on an ad, you can simply say, hey, I know that I need $15 a lead. If I spend, let's say, 10x of that CPA across different campaigns and targeting methods, and I still don't get a lead, I know that creative is no good. It's really that simple. There is no exact rule as to how much leeway you should give each ad. This will be a combination of factors such as how much budget you have and how much you're willing to test. This is also assuming that your funnel converts. Something you'll know if you're getting good click-through rates and good ad costs, but other things aren't in line, such as your opt-in rate, meaning people get to your landing page and people aren't really signing up. Those things aren't aligned and probably some work to do on your funnel. However, if you know your funnel is top-notch, then this is how you optimize for micro conversions. This will let you test quickly and efficiently, which is the key if you want to find the right creatives to scale your YouTube ads account. So remember, micro conversions are your friends. If you're running high-ticket funnels, find out which one makes the most sense. In my experience, email opt-ins are a good way to start because it causes some friction and someone actually took the time to sign up as an email. If you use that, you do your funnel math and you figure out how much of those opt-ins convert into a sale, you're already on your way to being able to optimize your account with the micro conversion data. For more tips and tricks in YouTube ads, check out our other videos. If you want to take your YouTube ads to the next level, book a call with one of our reps and we'll help you find the right solution for you.